How to execute a table tennis lob. If you have ever faced a powerful opponent in table tennis, you know how important it is to have a solid defense. One of the best defensive shots you can use is the lob. So, how do you execute a table tennis lob effectively? Let's break it down step by step. First, positioning is key. When you see a strong attack coming, quickly move back from the table. This creates space for your lob. Stand sideways to the table, similar to how you would for a looping stroke. This stance helps with body rotation and control. Hold your paddle in a way that allows for an upward brushing motion, which is essential for generating spin. Next, let's talk about the stroke technique. The lob stroke should resemble a high loop. Use a smooth, sweeping motion that goes from low to high. Engage your legs, hips, and upper body to add power and spin. Brush the ball upward and forward, making contact at a slight angle. This topspin is crucial because it helps the ball arc forward and land deep on your opponent's side. A well-executed lob makes it harder for them to attack aggressively. Now, height and depth are important factors. Your lob needs to be high enough to clear your opponent's reach but also land deep near the end of the table. Depth is vital because a shallow lob allows your opponent to stay close and attack. Aim to send the ball as close to their baseline as possible without overshooting. This forces them to retreat and limits their attacking options. Adding topspin to your lob is essential. Topspin causes the ball to dip quickly and bounce forward, pushing your opponent further back. The more topspin you apply, the better control you have over the ball's trajectory and placement. Advanced players often lob very high with heavy topspin to maximize these effects. There are also variations to consider. Besides the high topspin lob, there is a lower lob known as fishing. This shot is used to catch your opponent off guard by placing the ball just over their reach but not too high. This can be effective when transitioning quickly from defense to offense. Here are some practical tips to help you master the lob. Anticipate your opponent's smash by watching their stroke. This allows you to position yourself early for the lob. You can use either your forehand or backhand to lob, but turning sideways and using your forehand often gives you more spin and control. Practice controlling the height, depth, and spin of your lobs independently to develop consistency. Incorporating lobbing into your defensive game can turn difficult situations into opportunities for counterattack. By mastering positioning, stroke technique, height, depth, and spin, you can execute a lob that disrupts your opponent's rhythm. This defensive tool can shift the momentum in your favor during rallies.